The central bank has called for measures to maintain the cash circulation system as an increasing number of buses, retailers, and local government-affiliated institutions have recently begun limiting cash payments.
한국은행은 국내 버스, 매장, 지자체 시설 등에서 현금을 받지 않는 곳이 늘어나면서 현금 이용 기반이 약화하고 있다며 화폐 유통 시스템 유지를 위한 적극적인 대응이 필요하다고 강조했습니다. Do you use cash much?
Not much.
Do you carry around a lot of cash?
I do.
Oh, you do, just in case.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely just in case. And also, I shouldn't say I don't at all, because I do spend it, like every now and then, I'll find myself in a parking lot, and the attendant will say, we don't accept cards. So
Really?
like, there have been moments like that. And then also, like last night, I was actually just playing ice hockey. I play with a group of players, and we have the choice of paying by bank transfer or paying by cash. And I usually tend to pay by cash there for some reason. I don't know why, come to think of it. But
Wow.
so I still carry around a little bit of cash like that. And every now and then, I've got to buy a lottery ticket.
And you have to pay by cash
for lottery tickets. So
That is
there you go.
true. However, generally speaking, there's less usage for cash these days.
Certainly. Absolutely.
So tell us more.
Yeah, and a meeting was basically held, and among those who attended the meeting was the Bank of Korea and other relevant organizations, and they discussed that the demographic seems to be shifting these days, right? We talk about millennial groups and just groups, as well as the digital transformation. It's kind of reshaping the cash use ecosystem, and I think certainly if you compare Korea with other countries, I think this is certainly happening in Korea much more aggressively or quicker.
Yeah.
So they're kind of concerned that bank branches and ATMs, certainly in the non-capital region especially, could see a lot of those disappearing, which could be even more inconvenienced.
그래요. ATM기는 우리도 외래어로 쓰니까 잘 아실 거예요. 현금 인출기라는 뜻이죠. 그래서 수도권이 아닌 지역에서는 이런 현금 인출기라든지 아니면 은행 지점 자체가 예전만큼 많지가 않아서 현금을 찾는 것도 좀 쉽지가 않고요. 그것은 어떻게 보면은 현금을 많이 쓰지 않아서 그렇게 줄어든 것도 있지만 또 거꾸로 이렇게 줄어들어서 더 현금을 덜 쓰게 되는 또 이렇게 서로 영향을 주는 그런 현상들일 수도 있습니다. So actually, the higher uppers are saying we should try and get people to use more cash.
Yeah, and I think sometimes it's convenient to not have to carry it around, but then every now and then, if it becomes obsolete, like gone forever completely, then what tends to happen is when you do need it in those rare moments, then it does become even more inconvenient. So I think that's what they're talking about in the situation.
그래요. 그래서 한은에서는 앞으로 계속해서 전국적인 어떤 네트워크를 구축해서 현금이 잘 유통이 될 수 있도록 하겠다라는 얘기를 했습니다. 이렇게 유통되다. 제가 지금 손으로 동그라미를 그리고 있는데요. 영어로는 circulation, circle이랑 비슷하네요, 단어가?
Yeah, of course, circle the base word in there. So something that's going around, meaning something like money, it's being passed on from one person to another and to another, but it goes sort of in a circle. It goes full circle where it can kind of see how it could end up back where it started because it's being used in every different situation to have it go around. So money's not the only thing that circulates. I mean, you could have water, as an example, it circulates through evaporation to make clouds and then it rains back down. So there's like a circulation of water in, the system. But then, you talk about the circle of life. There's a lot of things that work in circular systems and, cash is certainly one of them.
그래요. 지금 얘기하고 있는 돈의 유통 이런 거는 circulation이라고 표현을 합니다. Now, what about to be affiliated with something?
if you're affiliated with something, then you are connected to something. It's you have a relationship with someone, perhaps, or you're benefiting and helping someone as well. It's usually like a give and take situation where both parties are benefiting from something.
그래요. To be affiliated with something은 무엇과 연계돼 있다라는 뜻이 되겠습니다. 그래서 소속된 사람일 수도 있고요. 아니면은 뭐 제휴라는 의미가 있을 수도 있죠. 사람이 꼭 아니더라도 무언가가 다른 무엇과 연계되어 있다. It's affiliated with something 이렇게 표현을 할 수 있습니다.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of companies are affiliated with bigger companies. So they're kind of working together or helping each other. So they have, a strong relationship.
Exactly. And of course, the BOK is Korea's central bank. In the US, the Federal Reserve is America's central bank. In Canada...
I have no idea.
Yeah, we'll have
maybe
to check that one.
Canadian Mint, maybe? I don't know.
Yeah.
Bank of Canada, I guess?
Probably. Most countries have Bank of something, but it's just America. It's not Bank of America. There is a bank called Bank of America, but that's not their central bank.
Yeah.
It's just a bank. And then their central bank is called the Federal Reserve, which we call 연방준비위원회 or just 연준 in short. 우리도 이제 한국은행, 한은 하듯이 이렇게 하잖아요. 이런 이제 중앙은행들은 뭐 비즈니스 뉴스, 이코노미 뉴스에서 많이 언급이 되는데 이게 중앙은행이라는 걸 얘기하지 않고 뉴스가 이렇게 진행이 될 때도 있고 아니면 굉장히 친절하게 이 나라의 중앙은행인 뭐뭐뭐 이렇게 얘기할 때도 있죠. Alright. 자, 그러면 한번 다시 읽어보겠습니다. The central bank has called for measures to maintain the cash circulation system as an increasing number of buses, retailers, and local government-affiliated institutions have recently begun limiting cash payments. Let's move on to the second headline.